Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. Today I provided news regarding Huawei P Smart Pro which getting Emui 10 update in Bulgaria. So let's begin our video. Huawei is expanding the Emui 10 for Huawei Y9s in one-of-a-kind markets, and its clone Huawei P Smart Pro has additionally stepped up to get hold of this today's model of Emui beginning Bulgaria. Update procedure. Open your settings and go to System and Update section. If update already came there, then simply update it. If you using HiCare app, then open it and look for Service tab. You would find Update section. Simply update it from there.